Hello? Yeah, it is. Who's this? Hold on, you want to speak to who? By the couch? It's for you. Should I take a message?
Oracle?
No. I'm just wondering if you're happy with your long-distance service.
What's your name?
Peter.
Hostiles closing in.
Closing, chasing, close enough. I'm Black Canary.
I know who you are.
Don't you want to know who sent me?
You're Black Canary. You sent you.
Peter will keep me company.
Give me a minute. I can find a hole. In their security. When will you grow up?
When you stop saying things like, I can find a hole, we need to find your boss.
How would I know?
Peter, I've spent the last half an hour knocking out like 50 of you guys looking for that answer. And yet, all 50 of you keep saying, how would I know? What they were able to tell me, though, is that you're third in command. You should have a different answer.
What's going on?
Peter, I'm at the end of my rope here.
Okay, hold on.
Not literal, it's an idiom. Peter, focus, or I'm gonna take this foot and whop you on that side of your face.
Don't you have your own phone?
Bluetooth broke.
Wow, that looks like it really hurts.
Okay, Peter, it's time to go to sleep. Shh, it's okay. We're gonna go to sleep now. It's okay. Just let it happen.
Could you sound any more rapey?
If I start saying things like, I can find a hole. Oracle, hold on. Someone's trying to...
Don't you dare!
Oh. Hello?
It's still me.
You have to push the...
Hello? Is this Peter's phone?
I can help you get out of here.
Peter's indisposed right now. Who's Bethany?
I don't know. No one. A friend?
Bethany? Hi, this is Dinah. Peter and I are friends. And he says you guys are friends, so I guess it's like that. Peter, doesn't sound like it's just like that.
Okay, Bethany and I have a huge crush on her, but I don't think she's interested.
Have you asked her?
No, we've hung out a lot, but not like... I think she's friend-zoned me.
Okay, Peter, there's no such thing as the friend zone. It doesn't exist. Like the Bucklebury Ferry, or third in command who doesn't know where his boss is.
What's a Bucklebury Ferry?
Hogwarts Express, whatever. Bethany's either interested or she's not.
Yeah, but...
There is no yeah, but we aren't Rube Goldberg machines. You can't put being nice to us on one end and demand cracking good toast on the other. He'll call you back. When I give you your phone back, call Bethany and ask her how she feels. Either she's interested in banging you or not, and you can either be friends with her or not. But don't make her regret telling you how she feels.
Yes, ma'am.
Still there?
I can't find an escape route. You're gonna have to make your own hole.
Nice! Peter's your boss here.
Left for Santa Prisca yesterday.
See, it's not so hard.
Well,
Santa Prisca.
that's Diana's problem now.
Because overkill?
You know, we're gonna have to lock you up after this, till my boss gets back. I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Peter, you know what I'm gonna have to do now, right?
Yay!
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Just
tell
for the
him
hell of
you
it.
can kill people with your feet.
Oh, Oracle says watch out for my feet. I can kill people with my feet.
You're a Black Canary. You can do whatever you want with your feet.
That is so sweet. Oracle, I'll see you in about an hour.
Don't copy that. Have fun.
Don't forget to call Bethany back.
I will. I promise.
Overkill. Huh. Without Oracle, it's just me talking to myself. Okay, well, Peter, I will, just let myself out.